In a world that often glorifies perfection and strives for unattainable standards, there exists a profound and transformative philosophy that embraces the imperfect, the impermanent, and the incomplete. It's called Wabi-Sabi, and its wisdom has the power to reshape the way you perceive and live your life. This video delves deep into the essence of it, demonstrating how its principles can lead to profound personal growth, enhanced well-being, and a more meaningful existence. As a philosophy, it finds its roots in ancient Japan, particularly in Zen Buddhism and the tea ceremony. It emerged as a reaction against the opulence and excess of the time, emphasizing the beauty in simplicity, imperfection, and the transient nature of life. Zen Buddhism's core teachings of mindfulness and being present align perfectly with the principles of Wabi-Sabi. Rediscovering beauty in imperfection. In a world fixated on flawlessness, we often forget that our imperfections are what make us unique and authentic. It introduces a refreshing perspective, a celebration of quirks, scars, and irregularities. In embracing this philosophy, you'll embark on a journey of self-love and acceptance like never before. Think about a favorite book with dog-eared pages or a cherished piece of pottery with cracks. These imperfections tell stories of love, time, and experience. Similarly, your imperfections narrate your journey. By welcoming them, you're acknowledging the beautiful tapestry of your life. Perfection is a heavy burden to bear. Wabi-Sabi shows us that the flaws we carry are not burdens but badges of honor. Simplicity, a gateway to tranquility. In a cluttered world, simplicity becomes a sanctuary. It encourages the release of excess, be it material possessions, emotional baggage, or mental clutter. The result? A profound sense of tranquility. Imagine the joy of a clutter-free living space, the peace of a mind unburdened by needless worries, and the clarity that comes with simplified choices. Through Wabi-Sabi, you'll learn to declutter your life, making space for what truly matters. Amidst the hustle, it invites you to slow down and savor the simple joys. Find beauty in everyday moments, like the warmth of a cup of tea or the gentle rustling of leaves, can elevate your daily experiences. Embracing life's ephemeral nature. Life is a constant flow of change. Wabi-Sabi reminds us that clinging to the past or fearing the future robs us of the present. The philosophy teaches us to dance with impermanence, finding deep meaning in every fleeting moment. Consider the seasons, each with its unique beauty, yet none permanent. Similarly, your life unfolds in seasons, each with its own charm. By acknowledging this impermanence, you'll savor each moment, knowing that it's a fleeting but beautiful part of your journey. Change is inevitable, and challenges are part of the journey. It equips you with the resilience to navigate these changes gracefully. Challenges through the lens of impermanence allows for personal growth and strength. Cultivating self-love and resilience. Self-love often eludes us as we chase an idealized version of ourselves. It invites you to embrace your journey, with all its ups and downs. In doing so, you'll discover profound self-love and appreciation. Your journey is uniquely yours, filled with highs and lows. Your scars, both physical and emotional, are reminders of the battles you've fought and the strength you've gained. They are not blemishes but badges of honor. Through Wabi-Sabi, you'll build inner strength by accepting and even celebrating your imperfections. Vulnerability is often seen as weakness, but Wabi-Sabi views it as strength. Nurturing authentic connections. Authentic relationships are rooted in vulnerability and acceptance. Wabi-Sabi extends this authenticity to your connections with others. By embracing imperfections in yourself and those around you, you'll create spaces where genuine connections thrive. Relationships are intricate, much like the world around us. It teaches us to find comfort in these intricacies, to appreciate the ebb and flow of friendships, and to treasure the beauty that lies in the imperfections of human connection. Relationships, like life, are imperfect. It teaches that imperfections in relationships are not flaws but part of the beautiful tapestry of connection. Unleashing creative potential. Creativity flourishes when it's unburdened by the weight of perfectionism. It liberates your creative spirit by encouraging experimentation without the fear of judgment. Picture a canvas splashed with vibrant colors or a melody born from unstructured notes. These creations embody the spirit of Wabi-Sabi, imperfect yet profoundly beautiful. By embracing imperfection, you'll unlock your creative potential in art, writing, or any form of expression. Ambition and contentment need not be mutually exclusive. It offers a harmonious balance between striving for goals and finding contentment in the present. In conclusion, living the Wabi-Sabi way is a transformative journey. It's about finding beauty in imperfection, simplicity in complexity, and resilience in vulnerability. It's a philosophy that celebrates the imperfect, the transient, and the authentic aspects of life. Imagine a life where your quirks are celebrated, simplicity brings peace, impermanence adds meaning, self-love blooms, connections deepen, and creativity flows freely. This is the promise of Wabi-Sabi, a life where imperfection is not just accepted, but cherished as a source of profound beauty and meaning. Your uniqueness is your strength, and your life, a canvas waiting for your creative touch. Keep seeking beauty in the imperfect, for it's often in the cracks that the light shines through. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom on living a fulfilling life. Until we meet again on this path of discovery, stay beautifully imperfect.